Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can build your own Telegram web app like Notcoin, Tapswap, or even Hamster Combat. So many modern Web3 projects are now built using the web app feature on Telegram, and many developers are now building full-stack applications on Telegram. Learning how to build Telegram web app and integrate them with the Telegram bot gives you an added advantage over other developers and gets you high-paying jobs easily. Now, before we get started, let me show you what we will be building today. So this is the Telegram bot app we will be building today. I named it Pluto Tap. You can search on Telegram or check the description under this video to visit the bot and see it in action. Just like Tapswap and Notcoin, you can see it has the same features, and I just changed the design colors just to make it look a little bit different. When you start the bot, it will show the welcome message, and then you click on Start Now. The web app will be opened, and you can see you are now ready to start mining on the web app. It is so simple and easy. This app is already connected to a database, so every activity is stored and updated immediately. When you tap on the coin, you can see that you get rewarded with 2 coins instantly as you are tapping the coin. The energy bar also drops as you tap, and when it gets to 0, you will have to wait for some time for it to refill before you can continue to tap and earn your rewards. When you click on the referral button, you can see the ref button under the screen. It will take you to the referral menu where you will see your active referrals. You can see your own referral link, which you can share with friends and family to complete referral rewards. Then when you click on the tax button, you can see the tax button there. When you click on it, it will show you the tax you can perform and earn rewards after you complete the tax. Let me complete the first tax here and show you. So now I click on go. You can see I have clicked on go, and now it has opened the channel which I will join. And now I have joined the channel, so now I will go back. Now after I go back, the check button shows up, and I just click on the check button. You can see now it is verifying. It is verifying if I completed the task, and now you can see that it has verified that the tasks have been completed. And you can see now that the finish mission button is now activated, and I can now click on finish mission to claim my reward. You can see that I just claimed the reward, and now my balance have been updated immediately. Everything is stored and updated to the database. So when I leave the bot app and then come back later, everything remains the same because we connected it to a database to store our data. You can see the other reward menus like the league and the ref tax menu. When you click on boost, you can see all your boost options, and when you click on stats, you can see the statistics of users active on the web app and their activities on the web app. It is so simple and easy. Now, when you click on your level, you see the levels you can advance to and the coin requirements to advance to those levels. The features on this app are so much that I can't go over them all now. But you can check the bot on Telegram to try it out yourself. The link is on the description under this video. This is a very powerful web app because it brings a whole new life to gamification experience, and many developers are now building web apps like this. So now, let's go through some of the requirements to build this Telegram bot app. To build this web app, you need to create a Telegram bot and get your bot API token ready. Then you make sure that you have Node.js installed on your device. And then you can proceed by creating the React app. After creating your React app, you need to make sure you also get a database provider of your choice, because your bots can only be functional when you are able to connect and retrieve data from a database. In my case, I simply used the Firestore database option provided by Google Firebase. After your database is ready, then you can proceed to create app routes and components for your app. After building all the features you need, you can then proceed to deploy your React app and your Telegram bots separately, so you can be able to handle them efficiently while they are on live servers. So let me now open my VS Studio Code and show you what we are building today. Now, for you to create this bot app successfully, you need to install some dependencies. You can see that you need to install Firebase. You also need to install @firebase/firestore dependency. This is used for your database connection. Then you also need to install Streamer Motion, which will be used for smooth navigation between routes. Then you also need React icons for some icons which you will use in the app. Then you also need to install React Router DOM, because you are going to use it to define your app routes and handle navigations. Then you also need to install styled components for some styling. Then you are also using Tailwind CSS, but you can also use any CSS option of your choice. I love Tailwind personally, and that is why I am using Tailwind for this app. Then you are also going to install Telegraph, which we are going to use to build our bot in Node.js. You can see at the root of my project folder, I created a bot folder where I have my bot function in an index file. This code sets up our Telegram bot using the Telegraph library. Now, if we go back to our React app folder, you can see our index file, which is in the root of our src folder. The index file is where you have your client-side routing for your React application. You can see I used the create browser router to define the routes. And then you can see I have routes for my referral, my tags, the boost, and also the stats. We also have an error route, which handles any error that arises inside the application. Now you can see inside the app.js file, this is where I created all the homepage functions. It is the home route which opens up once the user launches the bot app. Now you can also see I have my Firebase configuration file. This is the file I use to set up the Firebase configuration for my database. Now, inside the page folder, you can see we have our referral routes. This is where we manage the user, referrals, and display related information. With the use of use effects, we fetch user information and data from the Telegram web app context and also from Firestore when the component mounts and also when dependencies change. This setup provides a comprehensive interface for managing and displaying the user referrals and interactions. Then we also have the tags route, which is the tags page. In this page, I added various functionalities related to the user tags and levels. I added interactions with Firestore so that the data is up to date and changes when required. Each tag and level displays relevant information with buttons to claim rewards and open modals. You can see we have tags components, which are child components, and are rendered conditionally based on if the user selects the first task or the second task or the third task. Also, you can see we have the boost route. This is where we handle all the functionalities of the user being able to increase their energy level limit, buy a tap bot, get tap boost, and so on. Finally, we also have the stats route, and this is where we manage and display various statistics about the app and its users. It shows the total number of users, total coins cumulated by all users, active users, and so on. This is a very powerful app, and building this Telegram web app means you can be able to build any full stack Web3 application and deliver it to your clients. You can get the source code for this app and even get my mentorship on how to build full stack web applications like this. If you need the source code, you can message me now on Telegram. My Telegram link is on the description below this video. Also, if you want to build a custom Telegram bot app like this, you can also message me on Telegram. Don't forget to like and share this video as it will motivate me to do more. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.